Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get Stremio on Samsung TV in 2025. Stremio isn't officially available on the Samsung Smart Hub, but here's how you can still use it on your Samsung TV. So there are two options. So the option one is use an Android TV box or a Fire Stick like this. You can find it on Amazon and every other e-commerce sites. And on the device, go to settings, then go to security and enable apps from unknown sources. Open a browser on the device and go to stremio.com and download the Android APK version of the Stremio, and after that install it. Once done, open Stremio, login, and you are good to go. And the other option is you can do a screen mirroring or screen casting from your phone, smartphone. Like it can be a Android one or a iOS one. So you have to install Stremio on your Android phone or Windows PC. Make sure your Samsung TV and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. On Android, swipe down and tap Smart View or Cast. On Windows, press Windows plus K. Select your TV and start casting. Open Stremio on your device. It will mirror your Samsung TV to your Samsung TV. And there is another option I can tell you about, and that's use Samsung TV browser. And you can try accessing Stremio web through the Samsung internet browsing, but performance is limited and it doesn't support full features like streaming from add-ons. So for the best experience, use a Fire Stick or Android TV box. You'll get the full access to Stremio's features, and streaming is smooth and reliable. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.